Hello, my name's Gerrit and we are building a dashboard with data coming from Node-RED. And with Node-RED, I'm publishing data on that topic, so I can simply subscribe to it, start the test mode, and see my CNC04 data coming in. Okay, in order to write this data into a database, I will simply use the memory here, connect the event handler at a recorder to this memory, and this will be, the time series will be called CNC4, and it's going to be stored for 1 day of retention. And this way I can already receive the data in my Heisenware tenant and store it right into our internal Influx database. Okay, let's deploy this application already so that we have actually the application recording data for us, so that we can continue. The first thing we're going to do now is we're going to extract the temperature value from that JSON using a modifier. So what's happening is this. So we get the temperature value out of our big object, and we're going to visualize this one in a circular gauge. And we change the range of that gauge to something from 60 to 80, for example. So we are really seeing the value in a second. And now let's connect these two with drag and drop. There you go. Here's our temperature value. Okay, as the next step, let's read the data from this InfluxDB. So I'm reading CNC4 and I'm using an option here in order to just receive the data of the vibration that we are having in our database. And we're going to do this every 2 seconds. And we're going to visualize the result in a chart widget. So put a chart, make it a bit bigger. And then we connect our data series to the chart widget in order to show our data, start the test mode, and at the same time, I'm going to pick a nice machine picture here that we can now use as the main picture in our app. And last but not least, let's also add the Heisenware logo. There you go. So this is our application. Let's check how it looks like on the bigger screen. Yeah, it's more or less fine for the moment. Just minor adjustments. And once I'm happy, I can already go ahead and deploy the application again. And now we're going to see the final result. Here's our app. It shows the current temperature value coming from MQTT. And at the same time, we are showing a historical chart of the vibration data. And we could even install this application right on my computer screen. That is it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoy testing Heisenware. Bye.